Hello, good morning, how are you? So let's start lesson 3. In this lesson 3, we'll be talking about learning synonyms and its importance in IELTS listening. Here is the agenda, very short one. First, we'll be talking about learning academic synonyms, and second, we'll talk about synonyms in using synonyms in multiple choice task. So first of all, there are 3 resources where you can expand your vocabulary. First is using Thesaurus dictionaries or Thesaurus website, thesaurus.com. Secondly, you can upload your into your mobile app Context Reverser translating app. The good thing about this translator, it provides you real examples in real contexts. So let's to say if you translate one word and you get only translation in Google Translator, but in Context Reverser you get so many examples how you can use the particular word. And third one is the mobile app Merriam-Webster is the equivalent of the thesaurus.com website. It gives you synonyms, definitions, explanations, opposites, and so on. So, of course, better to use first Merriam-Webster or thesaurus.com and then only translate the word if you don't know. So that should be your last step. Okay, so let's start with synonyms, the practicing synonyms. Here we have 3 words. So could you stop the video and write down 2 synonyms or paraphrasing words for each word? Okay, here are my examples. For buy, I chose purchase, get. For travel, excursion, tour. Global warming, high temperature, iceberg melting. So here in the next slide, please also stop the video and match the numbers with letters. So match the synonyms for the words from 1 to 10. I would like to explain here that the first column, which you have the words idea, false, and describe, decide, cry, cold, brave, beautiful, big, these are the words that usually you use in your active vocabulary. And we usually use them in a social context. But as for the left side, where daring, portray, notion, frigid, weep, titanic, counterfeit, terminate, resolve, and acquisite, is the words that we use in academic contexts. So logically, if you'd like to achieve your in your IELTS listening part 3 and 4, in section 3 and 4 exactly, you should be able to recognize this vocabulary. So therefore, in a daily basis, you can start learning academic synonyms for those words that you already know. According to the latest research, it says that the adult can learn up to 25 words per day. So, of course, you don't have to start with 25 straight away. You can start with 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, per day. Every day you have to learn the vocabulary. And in learning vocabulary, there are several techniques. The one that I'm using personally, and I advise for my students as well, is using stickers. So you can buy the bunch of stickers, write down the words, and stick them on the places where you see every day. For example, if you're a housewife, you can stick your papers on the wall of a kitchen, on the wall of a let's say a baby, the baby bed, where you put to sleep your baby. You can read those words on the wall or on the baby bed. Or if you are, let's say, a working woman and you drive a lot and you spend a lot of time during the traffic jam, you can stick those papers on your car. As soon as you learn all the words in the sticker, you take them out and put them again with new words. Okay, let's come back to the presentation. So you can take few minutes to match it. And here we go. You can check yourself. You can stop the video and check it. Okay, so here I'd like to discuss how it's important to know the synonyms. For example, here we have 4 questions. This is the multiple choice task. So when you read the question, you need to underline the keyword, as you know, and think of synonyms or paraphrasing for those keywords. For example, the university is situated. So for the word situated, all over, individual, managed, and wide escalation. So we have 5 words. Could you please stop the video and think of 5 words, 5 synonyms as much as possible for these words. To make it easier, I put some options for you, so you can match these options. Okay, here we go. This is the answer. For example, for just the word situated, you have 3 synonyms, which is to be found, located, and cited. So when you have the word situated in the question, from the audio track, most probably you will hear synonym, not exact word. So that's why it's a big mistake when the student sees the word in the question and it waits for it from the audio track, and somehow they miss all the audio. So that's why think of synonyms and try to catch the synonyms from audio track. Never wait for the exact word which you see in the question. So as for the other words as well, as a proof for this, you can do this listening after this test. It will be in extra practice materials. So you will just hear how they don't use the exact words in the questions. They use synonyms only.